waiting because my other people can join you up first.
Sure. It's okay. Okay, then let's get started, and I will going to be discuss the same thing again. Main, you want to be discuss the same introduction session, and or you want to start anything, any topic related you want to be?
If you can do that some topic, that would be fine.
Okay. Okay, then just what I will do is, Zubair is new to us, right? So I will go to some slides of the introduction, then I will go to the topic. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Zubair. First of all, let me introduce myself. Okay.
Yes.
Coming to myself, I'm Suman, working as a SAP FICO production support consultant. I have total 9 years of SAP experience. Okay. In these 9 years, I did 2 end-to-end implementations. These are all life cycle implementations. The rest of the part, I worked as a support consultant. I worked with many projects, some upgradations, some rollout projects. Okay. And maximum projects I worked for US clients are support projects.
Okay.
And coming to my background, I did my master's in commerce. I have domain experience and functional experience. And coming to these trainings, I'm doing these trainings more than 4 years. I did some achievements in this training, like I train the people who are working in the projects. I train the people who are writing for the SAP certifications, like associate level. Many people, they passed a good percentage for associate level. Recently, one of my students passed professional level certification too. He passed a good percentage.
Okay.
Clear? And I'm purely functional guy. This is about myself. Okay.
Okay.
And could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Zubair Manzar, and I'm working with the same company where the Mia Rao works. My background also with the financial and accounting side, but I have a degree in computer information, but I never use it. So I want to change my career also to move, because I have like financial background, so I want to go to like financial side with the computer. IT. That's why we decided to go with the FICO. So we are looking forward to you. Yeah.
Okay. Have you worked any software, any ERP software?
Yeah, we have worked as an end user with different software for the commercial side, for the small business, commercial and non-profit organizations. Also, we have worked as an auditor for the government. So we don't have. I have worked in ExxonMobil a few years ago in the PeopleSoft as an end user. So I'm familiar with the PeopleSoft screen also.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to introduction session, and in this introduction session, I'm going to discuss about few points regarding the ERP overview, SAP overview, SAP finance module, and SAP controlling module. So, what do you know about ERP?
ERP is the enterprise resources. What is called enterprise resources products, maybe.
It's a planner, okay? Enterprise
Yeah.
resources planner.
Yeah.
Enterprise and limited organization.
Mm-hmm.
Every organization have its own resources. We are planning these resources for one organization. The best way of utilization of the resources or optimization of the resources is called as the ERP, Enterprise Resources Planner.
Okay.
Okay. At the time of the 1970s, ERPs came. Okay. At the time, we have software which is designed for each department-wise. Okay. Let's take a simple example here. Sales department using a software and HR department using a software. Both softwares are developed with the different technologies. Okay. So if sales department wants some information from HR, so they couldn't get. Why? Because two different applications developed with the two different technologies. Sales sends some information and HR couldn't understand. Why? Because two are developed with the different technologies. When we're discussing about at the time of 70s, they used to do the manual reconciliation between the departments. Okay, so that's a huge cost to the company. So what happened at the time of the 1970s? They came with the technology. They used the same technology, okay, for develop all the applications in the department. So sales, HR, finance, all the departments having applications. Those applications are developed with the same technology. So if the sales sends some information, HR easy to understand and HR easy to reply. Clear? So what they do, they give a connection between the departments. So this connection, it made easy to share the information between the departments. It's called as a integration. All ERPs are integrated products. Okay. We're discussing about other features. Centralized database. The entire information we are maintaining at headquarters. Okay. So it's easy to share the information across the world wherever you are doing a business. It's online product, every second it will update. And it's a real-time product, it uses accurate information. It allows us to maintain a bigger database. Huge volume of transactions we can maintain very easily. Millions of transactions you can post in a day. And it supports pinpoint-wise reports, and these reports will allow the management to take a decision. Decision making is very easy. Clear?
Yeah.
And it supports latest technologies called EDA, electronic data interchange. Using of this technology, we can connect with ERPs to any other softwares. Like you can connect to bank softwares where you can do the banking transactions online. I have one customer in New York. He's sending online order, so I can connect and we can do the business online. Okay, these are the main features using of EDA. Okay. So many companies develop their own ERP products. Oracle came with Oracle applications. IBM have his own product. Microsoft also having his own product. SAP leading the market. SAP is number one. SAP is the oldest ERP in the world. Okay, SAP stands systems, applications and products in data processing. Right abbreviation of SAP. Systems, applications and products in data processing. Okay, it started in SAP started in 1972. Okay, the 5 IBM employees, they came out, they started a company, and their vision is to build one big software. Okay, if the organization doing multiple businesses, multiple industries, okay, they need to use a single software. Okay, so first they started developing and with a small team. 76 they came with the first product is finance product. Again, they got a success on the finance product. So they started build one big software. Okay, they spent around 10 to 15 years. 86 they came with the second product, is R2. Then 86 onwards, world knows we have one ERP in the world. Okay, so SAP developed a big software. Okay, it supports multiple businesses, multiple industries. That's the reason SAP called as a global product. SAP is called as a global product. Why? Because it's a single software where you can do multiple businesses, multiple industries. Okay, If you're doing 10 businesses, you don't need to maintain 10 softwares. You can maintain a single software. Clear? That's the first advantage with SAP. So across the world, okay, they gather all the information. Okay, all various departments with a single software supports 60 plus departments. Clear? 50 plus countries. Each country has its own legal system. So for example, client is doing in US. So US GAAP is a legal system. You don't need to buy a local US GAAP software to meet the US legal requirements. SAP already maintained in SAP software as a country versions. Around 50 plus countries are readily available. Client can directly, you can follow each country legal requirements. Clear?
Okay.
40 plus languages, multi-language application. Okay. At the same time, you can work with the various languages. User-friendly. Compared to all other ERPs, SAP is a more user-friendly software. How you are operating Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, okay, Excel, same operations required. All Windows operations we are using to operate SAP also. Especially for us functional people, no need to write a program. Without writing a single word of program, you can learn SAP very easily. You can work SAP very easily. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. That's the reason people are learning very easily and working very easily in SAP. Clear? Okay. Technically, it supports multi-operating system, multi-database. SAP developed application, not a database. Client can choose his own database, maybe Oracle, SQL. Recently, SAP acquired HANA. So SAP have his own database now, and it's called as a SAP HANA. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. SAP products. SAP came with the various products based upon industries requirements. Like industries, we are classifying like a small scale industries, we have medium scale industries, larger, bigger industries. Small scale industries, SAP came with a product is called as a business one. This product will support up to 100 users. All-in-one is designed for larger or bigger industries. Sorry, it's a medium scale industries. All-in-one for medium scale industries, and R3 and MySAP designed for larger or bigger industries. R3 is the last version, is 4.7 version. Later we have MySAP product is came and which have more features. It releases two versions, 5.2 and 6.1. So due to market competition, they reduce the cost of MySAP. That's the reason all the clients, medium scale, above medium scale industries also using MySAP. Okay, SAP captured around 60% of the market in the world. Clear?
Okay.
Every product, every application have its own terminology. We call it the departments, but in SAP it's called the modules. Modules are divided into two parts, functional modules and technical modules. Based on functionality, like financial accounting, management accounting is called as controlling, HR human resources, sales and marketing is called sales and distribution, purchase department is called material management. Like we have many other modules out there. Technical modules, two, one is ABAP, and one is BASIS. ABAP stands application. ABAP is a programmer. So where you will write the program for all functional people. Basis is system administrator will do the installations and monitoring tuning he will take care. Okay. So we are not going to write any programs. We have separate consultant is a programmer, is called the ABAP. He will write the program for us.
Okay.
Advanced business application programming, ABAP stands. Okay.
Right.
So ABAP will write the programs. SAP came with new solutions as a new dimension products like as a customer relationship management, business intelligence, like we have many other products out there. When we're discussing about MySAP is a combination of R3 plus new dimension products. Okay. So it releases two versions, 5.1, 6.0, ECC, Enterprise Central Component. So in our sessions we are learning ECC 6.0. Okay. So within ECC 6.0 also SAP releasing enhancement packages. Okay, last enhancement package they released is a enhancement package 7. Okay, but training purpose we are using enhancement package 5 for training. Okay, it's available for training. Okay. Anyhow, I will explain about the version differences between the 6.0 enhancement packages. Okay, what are the differences are there? What are the new features are here? Clear?
Okay.
This is about product prospect. In this 6.0 version, we are learning two modules. One is finance module, another is controlling. Finance we are using for external purpose, meet all statutory requirements like balance sheet, profit and loss, finance statement versions. Controlling is management accounting, explains us how to control the cost within a company. Okay, two different modules we are learning here, and each module contains sub-modules. Okay, I will brief about each sub-module, what we are going to discuss. We are starting with the general ledger module. It will explain us how to create the ledgers in SAP system, how to post the transactions, how to see ledgerized reports. But this module we are discussing twice. One is with the classic GL, classic general ledger module, okay, which we use till 4.7 version. Later we are using new general ledger module. The new general ledger module, according to IFRS, IAS, we require segment-wise reporting. It is another external reporting which we are preparing in new GL. Okay, and account receivable module we are handling about customers. Account receivable module tightly integrated with our sales and distribution model. Okay, sales department. So here sales cycle. Okay, the business process is called the order to cash business process. We will discuss here order to cash business process. Accounts payable we are handling about suppliers. Suppliers. Okay, when we are discussing about the suppliers. In SAP, it's called as the vendors. Here we have the integration with the purchase department, is nothing but material management module. So when we're discussing about the material management module, okay, here we are discussing purchasing cycle. The business process is called as a procure to pay business process. Okay, we'll discuss and we'll run the cycles. Asset accounting, we are handling about fixed assets. If the organization has a huge volume of assets, if they have it, okay, we can manage very easily in SAP system. Like asset life cycle, asset purchasing, acquisitions, retirements, transfers, scrapping, period-end closing activities like month-end closing, okay, depreciation calculation, straight line method, diminishing method, return on value method. Like we will discuss various methods. Okay, after that we will prepare the balance sheet and profit and loss, finance statement versions. Then I will move to the controlling module, management account. To control the cost, what we are doing, we are preparing first internal balance sheet and profit and loss at our physical locations, like branch-based balance sheet or a plant-based balance sheet. For that, we are using a concept is called the profit centers. We are knowing a profit at particular center. It's a profit center. Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So, profit center is used to prepare internal balance sheet and profit and loss at our physical location, like branch-based balance sheet or a plant-based balance sheet. So, under the plant, I have departments. I would like to know each department-wise expenses. At the time, we are using cost center, controlling a cost at particular center. Cost center can be department, billing, headcount, where you can collect the cost. Clear? So,
Okay.
production department have many machines. I would like to know each individual machine-wise expenses. For that, we are using internal orders. Internal orders has two types. One is statistical orders and one is real orders. Statistical orders we are using for knowing about vehicle expenses, machine expenses. Real orders we are using for asset under constructions, like constructing a new plant, new building, where, okay, I can capture the cost, I can perform the settlements. So at the time, internal orders is tightly integrated with the asset accounting. Clear?
Okay.
Another concept is there variance analysis, the comparison between actual to plan comparisons. Okay. So these comparisons we are doing with the cost center and internal orders, profit center. Clear?
Okay.
Later we have two advanced modules. One is broadcasting and profit analysis. Broadcasting is used to know at the time of the manufacturing how much cost is occurred for a particular unit device. Okay. So for that, here we have the integration with the respective production department. In SAP is called a production planner, PP module, production planning module. So here we are discussing two modules, two business processes. One is make to order, another make to stock. Make to order, based upon order we are doing in production, and then make to stock is another one. Maintain stock levels we are doing in production. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and we will discuss the costing methods like standard costing, material costing, process costing, batch costing. Clear?
So controlling is mostly is a cost account.
Yeah, costing is right.
Okay.
It's a pure costing, management accounting. Okay. So we will discuss these costing methods. We'll discuss based upon various industries, like is the manufacturing industry, okay, automobile industry, pharmaceutical industry. So each industry how we are handling, we'll discuss clearly. Okay.
Okay.
After product costing, we'll move to the profitable analysis, where we'll prepare MIS reports, management information system. These reports will allow us to generate, take decision making. Okay, MIS reports, management information system. Using of the report painter tool, we are designing our own reports without writing a programs. Okay, it's a very flexible reporting. We can design our own reports like sales analysis, production analysis, profit analysis. We can do various analysis in this. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So this is our content and syllabus, and every day we'll have 1.5 hour session. Each concept we will discuss through my presentation. Later we'll do an SAP system. Every session is recorded, and you can record at your end, or I will record and I will give you the recording file. How we are playing movies, same way you can play our recording files. And I already prepared the documents, PDF documents, which can help you to practice step by step. I'll share PDFs, Excel files, as well as the Word files, okay, presentations. Okay, I will share plenty of material. And every concept, okay, we'll discuss, okay, in detail. Then later we'll do an SAP system. So once you complete the practice of each concept, okay, for example, you completed the practice of the account receivable. So once you complete the practice, I will give you some issues which I worked in real time, like medium level issues, low level issues, where you can get the real time flavor also. So we need to build the analysis, analyzing skills of the how to handle the issues. Okay, we'll discuss more detail about that. Okay, we'll go through most of the time of the hands-on experience. What are the issues will come, how to handle the issues in detail. Clear? After discussing the concepts. Okay. I prepared my own content according to current market requirements. So this is the content I am following it. It's a 6-week sessions. Okay. Finance is discussion oriented topic. Sometimes it's more than 6 weeks it will go generally. We required a minimum 50 to 60 hours training. Okay. Because we are going to 2 modules. It's not one module here. Clear? So first session I'm going to start with the ASAP methodology, accelerated ASAP methodology, which is helping us to understand what is the role and responsibility in the real time. How to do a implementation. Okay. What are the activities need to perform? What is blueprint? How to create a blueprint? Okay. Where to configure? How to test it? What method need to use? If it's a support, what is support? What is SLA, service level agreement? How to handle the issues or tickets? Okay, these are all things we will discuss in detail. So before knowing a product, we have to understand what is our role and responsibility in the project. Okay, that we'll discuss. Then after that, I will move to the concepts as we discussed. Okay, general ledger module. First we'll do the classic, then later we'll do the new GL and account receivable module. Okay, and accounts payable module. And also we are covering the bank accounting module. It's another module to us, sub-module. Asset accounting. Okay, integrations, SD to finance, MM to finance, procure to pay business process, order to cash business process. Okay, cost centers, variance analysis, internal orders, profit centers, and broadcasting with the PP model integration. Okay, profitable analysis with the report vendor tool. Okay, various model integration with the profitable analysis. New general ledger. Okay, where according to IFRS and IS we are preparing segment-wise reporting. And closing session we'll go to some frequently asked questions, and we'll go a little bit of ABAP knowledge. So we are not going to write programs in real time, but as a consultant we need to understand SAP backend architecture. Every application, it stores data into tables. So for example, you create a GL account. Where it stores is backend table. What is the table name? How to check the table data? And what is the table relationship with other tables? Okay, to understand. So once you know the relationships, you know the architecture of SAP. Okay, so we'll go on ABAP session. So the session is designed such a way that at the end of session, you should be able to do your own projects independently. It may be support or project. Okay, you need to do independent. That's the way I design accordingly. Clear?
Oh.
I'll share this file. Just go through this. If you like to add anything, you can add it and let me know. I will plan it accordingly. Okay, this is the way our sessions will go on. Any questions you have?
So that is all about like function. We will do the functional side.
Yes, right.
So, but technical side, you said we don't need to worry about it.
Yes, we are not going to write any programs, but we have to know the tables and table relations.
Okay. So as a consultant, if we work, so we should know some kind of programming also.
No, it doesn't require. In 8 to 9 years, I never written a single word of programming.
So when if we go to the certification of this module, we don't need to worry about the programming.
Yeah, we don't need any coding.
No.
Okay, I suggest that if you have a time, okay, go for certification.
Yeah.
Because in US it's $500, but other countries it's a more costlier. Okay, same training you can use for certification also. If you want, you can go for associate level certification. I'll give the certification material if you want. You can read the material and I will give the question and answers. You can read the question and answers and you can write the exam. Okay, why? Because it will be have one advantage is that if you have certified, the picking of resume is very good. Okay, compared to non-certified and certified, you have advantage with it, and also you will get nearly 20 to 30% extra pay.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the market?
What is the market starting market of the freshman?
Sorry.
What is the market for the fresh person? You know?
Fresh person means we are still shortage of the finance people, and we are looking at good domain experience with SAP knowledge. And first thing we need to understand, there is no fresher jobs in SAP. Okay. And
fresher means like after attending this course, you know.
Yes, please.
Once you have attended this course, so you have person has some experience, so you like some knowledge. So
yeah, that's what I'm talking. Yes. When we're discussing about the market, market is always is good for finance. Why? Because there's no finance, there's no business. If it's a small project also, they need 2 finance consultants, and we have almost 60% of the world using SAP. Once the company using SAP, till company is going to die, they need to use SAP. They need a support. Okay, so support is mandatory. Okay, so there's no product, such a product is available in the market to compete with SAP. Okay, only Oracle is there, it's near to that, but Oracle need to spend another 8 years to develop the product, then only they can reach to SAP features. Especially controlling model, there is no such a product is providing these many features in controlling model. Okay, There's no such a product is available for us. Another 10 years, we can get this fruit from SAP. Okay. So finance is always the first priority. Okay, every project first they will hire finance people, then only they will hire other modules. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, I understand that. But just like after, just like different people give different answers. What is the starting salary for after attending this course? Someone can expect you.
Salaries varies to project to project.
A minimum,
Okay.
I'm saying minimum what?
Generally, if you see about it, SAP compared to other modules, is finance is more paid, and controlling is more paid compared to finance. Okay. Actual client billing is more actually. It's going to the 100 plus actually per hour. But you know, this consultancies are there. You know, the rate will goes on 70-30 combination, 80-20 combination is there, right? Okay. So based upon that, you will get around your share based upon that. Okay.
So, is there any book available for SAP FICO that is issued by SAP?
Okay. Let's come to the book. If you Google it, you will get thousands of books of finance model freely.
Okay. Yeah, we see that. But which one is authentic?
Okay. Okay. I will tell you one thing. So I suggest that don't use any books from internet. You don't need to download. All the books, all the authors are written source of the SAP official website. It's called the help.sap.com. Okay. There is a free website. You can open it, help.sap.com. Which are the materials available that you can download, the PDF or help documents, whatever you want to be. Everybody reading. I'm also reading the same from the source, that is the help.sap.com. Okay. Any author has written a book also using of that only.
So website is help.sap.com.
Yes, that is the authorized official SAP website. There is a source for all authors. Okay, I'm also reading the books from there only. Okay, there's a free one. No need to buy any books. If you want a books, I have the SAP books. I have it. I'll share this. Share to you. No need. Okay.
Okay, so where are you located?
I located in Chicago.
Are you in Chicago? That's one of the
Most experience also I have in US clients only. I work with the various clients, US GAAP, most of them.
Okay.
Where are you located?
We are in Washington DC. Washington DC.
Okay.
Okay. The other thing is like we are. I think we're going to be 4 people. So there, myself, and there's 2 people, Lucy and Robert. There are 2 people. I would appreciate, once this session is done, if you can send this recording to me, I can give it to Lucy and Robert. Okay, they can listen tomorrow, and they just want to know, like, if they can understand you, because that our accent is a bit different from theirs, so they want to just make sure that they can understand our.
That's okay.
Yeah, so that's the only thing. Otherwise, if you can send this recording after this time is done.
Sure. I think I'm not recorded actually today, but our people recorded, I think. So the
I think I can see it. I can see on the GoToMeeting.
Yeah, you will get a recording file, not a browse. And still, I suggest that if they wants to have a word, and they can come and they can have a conversation with me, with your.
There's no problem. Okay. If okay.
Because they do have some doubts regarding the career, because it's a big step. You are changing your career to a new software, so everybody have his own doubts. Then it's required a clarification. So why? Because SAP is not a software which can learn and get a job easily. It will take some time. It's required time-taking process.
Okay. Other thing is like we are 4 people, so you know we gonna be you know, our best time to learn is around 9:30 and 10 p.m. Because
Okay.
during the day we work and so like in the morning or until 9:30 we are kind of busy, you know. So we're gonna you know request a class which should start around 9:30 or 10 o'clock every day. And what we want is we can study 5 days a week, and starting from I think from Sunday to Thursday, because Friday evening and Saturday evening we want to be free, so we can everybody can do their family chores and stuff like that. Yeah.
Sure, we'll plan it accordingly. I don't have any problem of taking the sessions on weekend also.
Yeah, it is Sunday night, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9:30 or 10 p.m. to 11 or whatever you know.
Sure. So we can plan accordingly.
Zubair, what do you say?
Yeah, I'm okay. I mean, whatever we can decide for like 4 days or 5 days, whatever, it's fine. From Sunday evening through
Thursday. You know, Friday and Saturday will be Saturday night and Friday night will be free, so people can do whatever they want to do. You know.
yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. So, Suman, if you know, we would like to go all together, but in case you know somebody you know we make 2+2 group or 3+1 group, how you feel about that? You know.
Sorry, I couldn't get many. Your voice is low. Could you a little bit?
What I'm saying is, in case we decide that Zubair and myself want one session, and Lucy and Robert may like to have another session, you know, not with us. We will try to go together, but if we cannot go together, would it be possible that they can have their own class and we can have?
Yes, it's okay. We can plan it accordingly, not a problem.
Okay. So what I'll do, we will discuss tomorrow, and we will let Harry know that what we're going to do. Because there's another guy who is after us, and then we took demo from him, and we're going to decide between you and him and see what how it goes.
Okay.
Thank you. It's been nice. You know, I really appreciate. You know, I remember the day before yesterday you spent some time, and then we asked you to come back. And thank you. Thanks so much, and hopefully this session was quite helpful, and we hope to you know involve it.
Okay, thank you so much. We will discuss more with the Rauf tomorrow morning, and we will start soon.
Sure. Thanks, Shemaine and Zubair.
Thank you.
Thank you.